Hi, thanks for staying with us. I'm Jenny Newell. The St. Lucie County Tax Collector's Office offers a number of online resources as well as 2 different locations in St. Lucie County where folks can pay their property taxes. Cindy Crowe is a tax specialist supervisor with the Tax Collector's Office, and you are going to tell us the difference between partial payments and installment plans for folks who want to pay their property taxes as opposed to paying it all at once?
Correct.
Okay.
The installment plan is where you make 4 payments throughout the year.
Okay.
So right now, between November 1st and May 1st, you may fill out the application to participate in the 2016 tax installment plan.
Okay, great.
You do get discounts. It's not as much as paying it annually and getting the 4% discount in November, but you still do get a discount applied.
Okay, that's great.
Okay. Now the partial payment plan, that's where, like for 15 taxes right now that we're paying at this moment, you may sign up and pay 3 payments. You do not get a discount. You end up paying the March amount, and each payment, there's a $10 fee. You're allowed to make 3 payments.
Okay.
Between November and March.
Okay, but folks can still sign up for that now.
Yes.
To make those 3 different payments.
Yes, and if you're wanting to go on the installment plan, they need to sign up now also for next year's taxes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What does that application entail? Is it lengthy? Is it fairly easy to fill out?
It takes all of 1 minute. Name, phone number, signature, and date.
And it's just a simple request and saying, hey, I'd prefer, you know, to do this installment plan versus paying it all at once?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Now on the installment plan, you do get billed, so it'll be June, September, December, and March. On the partial payment plan, it's up to you to keep track and send the payments when you're ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Is that something, do you all offer help? I mean, can someone call and say, hey, this is kind of my situation, which do you think will work best for me? I mean,
well, we can go over it with them, absolutely.
Okay.
They may call anytime. That's what we're there to assist them.
Okay.
But
what's the phone number that people can call?
Phone number is 772-462-1650.
Okay, perfect. And then people can also sign up online.
Absolutely. We go to our website at www.tcslc.com and go to online forms, and the form should be right there.
Okay, perfect. And you said they don't have to print them out or anything. They can just fill them out right online and submit them. And
They do have to print them out. I'm sorry. At this moment, they have to print them out and send them to us.
And then just
they can email it, or they can mail it, or bring it in. Okay,
and I mentioned in the beginning that there are 2 different locations. There's a location in Fort Pierce.
Yes.
That's 2300 Virginia Avenue. And then there's a location right next to our Port St. Lucie Civic Center, which is at 1664 Southeast Walton Road.
Correct.
Okay, and then that same phone number that you mentioned before will go to either location.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it will.
Fantastic. And there's lots of great information. I went on your website this morning. It's very easy to navigate. I mean, it's basically just property taxes, and then it lists sort of the various resources and things that you all offer.
Right.
So that's great. I know Chris Kraft, since he's been the tax collector, he's really changed sort of the operation and the way things are done there, and it's much easier, very pleasant experience to go. So that's great that you all are interested in making it just that much easier for folks to get in there and do what they need to do.
Right. Thank you. And I do want to let everyone know that we are in the process of breaking ground this year on a 3rd office.
Oh my, where?
That office is going to be located in Tradition.
Oh, that's great.
So, yes, it's in the process.
That's great. Okay, so breaking ground, when do you think? I know it's very early in 2016 so far, maybe next year?
Maybe next year.
Maybe next year it'll be up and running?
Yes.
That's great. That's great. Okay. We'll look for that. So tell us one more time, the 2 options, actually there's 3 options, correct? You can pay your property taxes all at once.
Correct.
And that's where you receive the largest discount.
Correct.
Okay. And what's that discount?
4% in November.
Okay.
Right now in January, we're now collecting the 2%. So it goes November 4%, December 3%, January 2, and February 1.
Okay.
March is when you get no discounts or penalties. Then April 1st is when penalties go on.
So it's in everybody's best interest to pay early.
Yes.
Just because you get that much more of a discount. Okay. Okay, that's great. So if you if you cannot pay all at once, you have those two other
Yes.
options. Okay, which are?
Partial payment plan
Okay.
or the installment plan.
Okay, and the partial payment plan is 3 payments?
3 payments, $10 fee for each payment, and you pay the March amount.
Okay.
Now, on both of those plans, your taxes must be at least $100 per year. So,
Okay.
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 To participate.
Okay, and then the installment plan?
The same.
Okay.
The same.
Okay, and that's for
4 quarterly payments.
quarterly payments. Okay, and then all of those resources are available online at www.tcslc.com. Can you give us the phone number one more time?
Sure, it's 772-462-1650.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Cindy,
Thank
for
you.
being here. We really, truly appreciate all the work, the hard work that you all are doing. I'm sure it's getting busy about this time of year,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Through April, pretty
Yes.
busy? Okay. Well, we will let you get back to work. Thank you so much for being here again. We really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. And we'll be right back after these messages.